Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden within those official corporate filings. Today we're digging into a filing that, at first glance, might seem like just another bureaucratic paper, but trust me, it has got some interesting appointments that tell a story about who is steering the ship. And if you like getting straight insights like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, we have a fantastic Discord community linked in the description below where we break down more of these documents together. This is a report about leadership changes and appointments at Golub Capital Private Income Fund I. And while it might sound dry, these are the people making the big decisions that impact the fund's performance. So, what exactly is an 8K report and why should you care? Think of it as a public announcement system for companies. If something significant happens, like a new leader joining the team, they have to let everyone know quickly through this form. It's all about transparency and keeping investors in the loop. This report is filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC for short. They are the big watchdog for the stock market, making sure companies play fair. Now, this filing tells us that Golub Capital Private Income Fund I is considered an emerging growth company. What does that mean? It's basically a category for newer companies that get a little leniency with certain financial reporting rules to help them grow without being too burdened by regulations early on. Think of it as a bit of a head start. The main event here is the shake-up in leadership positions. This is where the exciting stuff happens, the appointments of key personnel. These are the people who will be making the day-to-day and strategic decisions for the fund. First up, they've brought in Timothy J. Topics as the new Chief Operating Officer, or COO. Now, a COO is essentially the boss of making sure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. They are the operational expert, the one managing the day-to-day activities. Mr. Topics is 41 years old and his appointment is effective immediately. He's not new to the Golub Capital world, having joined in 2022 and already holding a director role in their investor partners group. He's been involved in managing the Business Development Company, or BDC. Part of their operations, he has also held officer positions in several other related companies, all of which are business development companies advised by the same entity, GC Advisors LLC, before his current role. He was a vice president at Wells Fargo Securities, focusing on investment banking for the business development company sector. This background suggests he has a deep understanding of this specific industry. He studied business administration and finance at The Ohio State University and got his MBA from the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. He is also a CFA charter holder, which means he is a certified financial analyst, a big deal in the investment world. Now, it is standard practice to disclose any potential conflicts of interest. For Mr. Topics, the filing states he has no family ties to current management, no significant financial stake in past or ongoing company deals, and no special compensation plans tied to this new role. This is to assure everyone that he is there to do his job, not for personal gain outside of his agreed upon compensation. Next, let's talk about Paul Cellini, who is stepping in as the Chief Accounting Officer, or Chiao. The Chiao is the guardian of the company's financial integrity, making sure all the numbers are accurate and compliant with accounting rules. Mr. Cellini is also 41 years old, and his appointment is effective immediately. Like Mr. Topics, he's already serving as TAL for several other related business development companies. His experience before joining Golub Capital in 2026 includes a role as Senior Controller at TPG Twin Brook Capital Partners, where he was involved in financial reporting, regulatory filings, and investor relations. Before that, he worked as an auditor at PricewaterhouseCoopers, a major accounting firm where he managed engagements for various investment funds. He studied accounting at Niagara University and has a Master of Science in Accounting from the University of Connecticut. He is a certified public accountant, or CPA, in both New York and Illinois, which is a testament to his expertise. Similar to Mr. Topics, Mr. Cellini's appointment is cleared of any conflicts of interest, no family ties to management, no personal stake in company transactions, and no special financial arrangements tied to his new COO position. This is all about ensuring an objective approach to financial oversight. And finally, we have the sign-off. This is where the duly authorized individual confirms that the information presented in the report is accurate and true to the best of their knowledge. Here, Christopher C. Erickson, who holds the titles of Chief Financial Officer and Treasurer, has signed off on this report. This signifies that he has reviewed and approved these leadership appointments. Overall, these appointments suggest a strategic reinforcement of the operational and financial leadership at Golub Capital Private Income Fund. The backgrounds of both Mr. Topics and Mr. Cellini indicate a strong focus on expertise within the business development company sector. Their experience at regarded firms like Effa Capital and PricewaterhouseCoopers, coupled with their advanced degrees and certifications, means they bring a wealth of knowledge. The fact that they are also stepping into similar roles in related entities shows a cohesive management strategy across the broader Golub Capital BDC platform. From a Warren Buffett perspective, you look for competent management and a clear understanding of the business. In this case, the appointments seem to bring in seasoned professionals precisely matched to the specialized needs of a private income fund and business development companies. The emphasis on avoiding conflicts of interest is also a positive sign, indicating a commitment to good corporate governance. The main risk, as with any leadership change, is the transition period itself and how these new officers integrate and execute their strategies. However, given their existing experience within the organization's related entities, this transition appears to be more of a formalization of roles and responsibilities rather than a completely fresh start. Alright, that is our breakdown of this particular filing. What is your take on these leadership appointments? Do you think they signal a positive direction for the fund? Drop your thoughts in the comments below if this analysis was valuable. Hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate finance. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.